Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for March 8th, 2018. Happy International Women's Day! Are there sales? You know there are! Pure offers a progressive percentage when you shop. Clinique gives you a free full-size makeup duo, and Storybook gives you 20% off when you use code Erin. Check their website for deets. Now here's a quick rundown of today's launches. Mulholland Superstar Loose Shadow drops at 10 a.m. Pacific on ColourPop's site, $5. Not to mention the Kat Von D Divine Palette, the Violet Voss Like a Boss, Urban Decay's Back Talk, Tarte's Be a Mermaid, Natasha Denona Sunset Mini and Tropic, 3 from Pat McGrath, Smashbox Trios, and the Benefit Blush Bar, all at Sephora online. And speaking of powerful women, or perhaps a sign of the apocalypse, Madonna and Kim Kardashian are teasing a collab, and it looks like Kandee Johnson is somehow involved. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time tomorrow. Look for Makeup Minute Extras on my Instagram, and don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.